Hi, my name is Zach from myconsult, and since 2003, we've actually been helping business owners simplify their accounting systems. So if you'd like to support us to create more contents, do like and subscribe today, alright? So today we're actually going to be looking at something a number of our clients have been asking us due to the change in the service tax rate from 6% to 8%. So actually based on the guideline, if we actually have services that is completed before 1st of March 2024, we will need to charge our client a service tax of 6% even though the invoice is generated after 1st of March 2024. Alright, so if you can see here, if you come to invoice here and we press new, we select a customer, alright, and we just select an item. So straight away when I select here service tax, the system will automatically detect at 8%, right? So you cannot actually select a 6% tax rate. So how can you do it inside SQL Accounting? So what you need to do first is you just need to come here to SST GST, come here to maintain tax, find service tax, we press edit. So if you see here now, the tax rate is A, which is automatic based on the current rate. So when we click a drop down list, we can press a plus here and we can actually put here there's a 6%. Okay, so once we're done, we press save. Now let's say we go back to your invoicing, we press new, we press plus, and then now press service tax here, we put here, we can select either a 6% or 8% tax rate. Okay, so if your services has been provided before 1st of March 2024, you can actually select and be invoiced at 6%. Okay, so always take note, these services must be completed before 1st of March to have a 6% tax. Okay, so we actually hope that you find this helpful. If you like us to create any other guides, do leave it in the comment below. Alright, thank you.